It's great to see everyone again. Now, today we've got some exciting news before we hop into this video here. Now, I am proudly the new founder and CEO of Red Industries. It is a company I've created to evolve what we've already been doing, that is how to use cars, that is car buying tips. Obviously, I am in the dealership world, so I've got the first person experience. But as we transition into racing, we've got a racing car here. We're taking every step we can to just enjoy and experience the automotive world and lifestyle. So we've worked on cars. We've worked on karts. We're racing karts. I just got done taking that beast across the country to California to go off-roading in various states. I'm talking Nevada and California alone that I've off-roaded. Now, various along the way I did, take a few trails here and there, but I've got another video of that hopefully following soon. I just got to check out how the footage goes. But that beautiful A24X outside is phenomenal. Now, this following video, I drove the beautiful AMG GTR. This thing is beautiful and phenomenal in refined luxury and performance. I do hope you enjoy as you're about to witness my genuine reactions of driving on a racetrack. This is Speed Vegas out in Las Vegas, Nevada. I had an absolute blast, and for the first part, you can't see it on my face, but you definitely will, because I'm focusing on the track that I don't know. I now know this track. This track looks, to me, very plain, very simple, but with the corners and the curves and the shapes of everything, it is absolutely amazing. Just alone, and you'll see, on this stretch of road right here, I hit almost 130 miles an hour. That was beautiful, and it felt like another day of driving. Other than that, I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think.
Thank you for
no, as long as it is where you need it.
I got it. Thank you.
Because they explained that, and I'm like, okay. I've had to learn to drive without mirrors.
Yeah.
Because I drive customers' cars all the time.
Oh yeah. That's
so I'm like, I'm not gonna touch it. I even have to sit in the seat where it's not.
It's
proper.
not. Yeah.
Whether I'm too close or too far, I just have to shift my
You just
body.
keep it that way. I get you.
Exactly.
All right. I want you to introduce yourself to the camera. Say your first name and last name.
Caleb Red.
All right, Caleb. Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you today?
Yes,
brother?
it's good afternoon now.
Nice to meet you, brother. My name is Kareem. We are in the beautiful Mercedes AMG GTR doing 7 laps. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Before we head out there, Caleb, those green cones out there on the track, I want you to connect the dots. Position your car close to every green cone.
Okay.
That's going to set you up for that racing line, which is the fastest, most efficient line. Those red cones, I want you to brake in a straight line. My hand will go like this with the brake. Remember to be smooth on the pedals and on that wheel. Remember, too much gas too quickly will snap that back end out. So when you accelerate, you got to ease into it. Remember to always keep traction. The second we'll lose traction out there, we'll lose time. Now, the mirrors are for me. We'll set them up for me in a second, but I got you back. All I want you to do is just keep those eyes up, anticipate that next move. Now, nobody's allowed to pass until I turn on the hazards. We can't pass anybody else until we see theirs. Okay. So be patient for those hazards. Paddle shifters, as you know, right is up, left is down. They do move with the wheel. Keep your hands there at all times. I'll tell you when to shift to keep you in that best gear. Just remember to keep those eyes up, stay smooth, okay?
Yep.
Any questions?
Good.
Let's go out there and have some fun.
Yes,
I want
sir.
you to put your foot down on the brake.
Yep. I'm
going to put it into drive. I want you to release the brakes. We're going to roll out this way to the left. Good. We're clear on the right-hand side. You're more than welcome to go hand over hand while we're off the track. Turn that wheel all the way to left. Hand over hand. Yeah. Good. And at the end, we're going to make another left. I want you to go through that set of blue cones like you did with the SUV. Good, Caleb. After you go through the blue cones, I want you to get nice and close to those red cones. Okay. And then stop at the very last red cone and test the brakes. And brake. Good. Brakes are good?
Carbon ceramic?
They are steel. Carbon ceramics are way too expensive.
Yes.
And they take significantly longer to get some heat into them. So even by the time, like lap 7, by the time you're done, they probably won't have enough heat into them.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Let's adjust that mirror. So select the top left button over there, push right on the directional pad and hold it.
Right.
Good. And up. Perfect. Good. Right mirror, let's go down a little bit.
Okay.
A little bit more, actually.
That's far.
That's the furthest? Okay,
Yep.
that's okay. All right, now I'm going to tell you to squeeze on that throttle. That just means accelerate in a smooth motion, okay?
Okay.
All right, Caleb, I want you to squeeze on that throttle. Now get on the track, stay to the right. I got your mirrors, go. Shift up. Good, keep accelerating on the right. Shift up. Merge over left, I got your mirrors, keep accelerating here. Shift up. Keep building that speed. Normally we brake here. We're not going fast enough to brake yet, so we're going to gently brake now. Good. As you enter the corner, ease off the brakes, light throttle, a little bit of gas, maintain that speed. Good. Hug the 2 green cones on the left, open up that wheel to the right, squeeze on that throttle towards that green cone on the right side. Good. Keep building your speed towards it. Now brake in a straight line towards it and stay wide for both green cones. Ease off, stay wide for that second green cone as well. Then turn in for that next one. See how we're going green cone to green cone, right?
Yep.
Good. Now give me a little bit more gas, tight to the right. Hug both green cones on the right while maintaining that speed. Good. And smooth over to the left. Squeeze on that throttle to the center of the track. Build that speed for me to the left. Now, no brakes. Just ease off the gas, then get back on the gas to the right. Squeeze on that throttle on the right side of the track. Now brake here. Hold the brakes. Turn in. Cut those corners. Eyes up. Straighten out that wheel. Look all the way out. Green to green. Build that speed for me here. Good. Keep building on the right-hand side. Keep applying that throttle on the right. And brake now towards that green cone. Downshift once. Stay wide. We got a car on the inside. Maintain speed. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Green. Looking to turn. We're going to turn in behind him. Look ahead. Good. Open up that wheel to the far right. Accelerate on the right side of the track. Build that speed here. Good. Back over to the left and shift up. Nice, Caleb. Shift up. Good. Lap number 2. Brake now. Brake hard. Downshift once. As you enter, ease off. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Maintain that speed here. Good. Squeeze to the right. Eyes up. Build on the right side towards that green cone all the way up there. Keep building towards it. Now brake. Stay wide. Ease off the brakes, light throttle. Then turn in all the way and maintain that speed. A little early still, but that's okay. Tight to the right. Hug both green cones on the right while staying consistent on the gas. Don't lift off the gas. Maintain it. Maintain it to left without lifting off that gas. Accelerate now to the center. Build that speed to left. Good. Ease off for a second. Get back on that gas to the right. Keep accelerating on the far right side. Now brake here. Brake hard. Hold the brakes, turn in. Ease off those brakes. Cut those corners, straighten out that wheel. Look all the way out. Squeeze on that throttle now. Build that speed. Give me 10% gas. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Good. Now brake. Good. See how we're progressively building our speed there. Downshift once. Light throttle, a little bit of gas. Stay wide. Then turn in late. Good. A little bit of gas. Open up that wheel. Build on the right side. Stay right. Accelerate here. Good. Merge back over to the left and shift up once. Too early on that shift. Keep accelerating. Keep accelerating. Now brake here. Downshift. Good. As you enter, ease off, light throttle, a little bit of gas, maintaining. Good. A little bit of gas. Squeeze to the right, eyes up, close that gap so he knows we're ready to pass. Now brake. Stay wide. Ease off, light throttle, a little bit of gas. Turn in all the way and maintain. Good. Patience here. Good. Tight to the right. Get on his ass so he knows we're ready to pass. Stay on his ass. Stay on his ass. Stay on his ass. I'm going to give you an extra lap because of this. You shouldn't have done that. Accelerate on the right side. Build on the right. Good. Ease off for a second. Get back on the gas to the right. Get back on it. Now brake. Turn in. Off the brakes. Cut those corners. Straighten out that wheel. Look all the way out. Build that speed for me here. Good. Build. 10% gas. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Brake. Downshift once. Stay wide. Off the brakes. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Turn in all the way. Tighter, tighter, tighter. Maintain. Good. Open up that wheel to the right and build. Nice. Good exit. Shift up. Good job. Nice job. Shift up. You're kicking ass, bro. Lap number 4. Brake hard. Harder. Harder. Downshift. Good. Ease off. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Maintain it here. Good. Squeeze now. Eyes up. Build on the right. Build. Build. Brake straight. Stay wide for both green cones. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. A little bit of gas. Turn in tight. Maintain it here. Good. Patience. Tight to the right. Hook both green cones. Get on his ass. Don't lift off the gas. Smooth to the left. Squeeze to the center. Build that speed to the left. Pass on the right. Accelerate on the right side. Good. Now brake here. Brake hard. Good. Turn in. Off the brakes. Cut those corners. Straighten out that wheel. Shift up. Build that speed. Eyes up. Keep looking ahead. Keep building. Now brake. Downshift. Stay wide. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Turn in all the way. Tighter, tighter, tighter. Maintain. Good. Open up that wheel first, then accelerate. Good exit. Nice job. Shift up. You got it down, bro. You're kicking ass. Shift up. How you doing, bro? Good. You having fun? Yeah. Brake hard. Downshift. green, light throttle, maintain it here. Good. Eyes up, squeeze. Build that speed on that to the right towards that green cone. Now brake straight. Stay wide for both green cones. Light throttle, a little bit of gas, turn it all the way. Tight to the right, hook both green cones on the right. Maintain it here, do not lift. Maintain it. Maintain it to left, don't lift. A little bit of gas. We're losing a lot of momentum because you keep going on and off the gas there. Accelerate to the right. Stay on the right side. Now brake here, brake hard. Turn in. Off the brakes. Cut those corners. Straighten out that wheel. Look all the way out. Avoid the curb. Squeeze now. Remember, we're working on balance. Once you hit the curb, shift up. Now brake. Stay wide. Ease off. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Remember, Caleb, we're working on balance. Once you hit those curbs, it upsets that balance, right? Yep. Open up that wheel. Build on the right side. Stay on it. Good. Shift up. Good. Stay on it. Don't brake yet. Shift up. Lap number 6. Brake hard. Downshift. Good braking. Stay on his ass so he knows we're ready to pass. Don't brake and don't accelerate yet. Just stay on his ass. Pass now on the right side. Pass on the right. Good. Build now. Stay on it. Brake straight. Stay wide. Ease off. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Turn it all the way and maintain. Don't forget to breathe. All right, bro? You're doing great. Tight to the right. Good. Don't lose that momentum. Smooth to left. Squeeze now to the center. Build that speed. Stay on that gas. Left. Ease off. No brakes. Get back on the gas to the right. That's okay. Get back on it. Now brake. Good. Turn in. Ease off. Cut those corners. 10% gas. 20. Avoid the curbs. No curbs. Accelerate now. Build on the right. Build. More. Brake. Downshift. Stay wide. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Turn in all the way. Maintain. Good. Patience. Open up that wheel. Build on the right side. Stay on it. Shift up. Back over. Shift up. How you doing, bro? Good. Having fun? You like hard. Downshift. Good. As you enter light throttle, maintain speed. Good. Eyes up. Squeeze on the right side. Build towards that green. Brake in a straight line. Stay on the brakes. Stay wide. Ease off. Light throttle. Maintain. Tighter, tighter, tighter. Patience here. Nice job, bro. Nice job. Tight to the right. Drag a little bit more gas and maintain it. Smooth to the left. Squeeze now to the center. Build that speed to the center. Back over. Ease off. Get back on that gas to the right. Good. Stay on the right side. Now brake here. Brake hard. Turn in. Ease off. Cut those corners. Good. Squeeze on that throttle. Now build that speed. Stay on it to the right. Keep building. Now brake. Downshift. Good. Stay wide. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Turn in all the way. Maintain. Patience. A little bit of gas. Open up and build. Nice job, bro. Shift up. Good job. Shift up. Brake. Downshift. Hold the brakes. As you enter, ease off. Light throttle. A little bit of gas. Maintain. Good. Eyes up. Squeeze towards that green cone. Build. Now brake. Hold harder. Stay wide. Ease off. Turn in, maintain. We're getting faster. We gotta brake harder, right?
Yep.
Good. Tight to the right. Hook both green cones. Maintain that speed. Light throttle here. Good. Smooth over the left. Squeeze now to the center. Builds that speed. Back over. Ease off for a second. Get back on that gas. Stay to the right. Now brake straight. Brake hard. Harder. Harder. Turn in. Ease off. Cut those corners. Straighten out that wheel. Shift up once. Avoid the curves. Build. Good. Eyes up. Keep looking ahead. Keep building. Now brake. We're all done, brother. We're gonna head straight out, okay? Nice job, man. Welcome back, Caleb. You can breathe now, brother. What'd you think?
Good. I was just focusing.
You have fun?
I do forget to breathe, though.
Well, you killed it out there, man. You did good. You got faster every lap. We passed a few cars that on paper should be significantly faster. So it goes to show you, it doesn't matter about the car. It matters about the driver.
Correct.
Nice job, man. What'd you think of the car?
That's awesome.
It's insane, right?
It's such a, what's the word? Sand car.
Yeah, it's incredible. We're going to keep going back into that big tempo where we were. Got it. Nice job, Caleb. Very good job.
It's very refined.
It's incredible. You can see it's smooth, it's intuitive, it's fairly forgiving. But because you were smooth on the pedals, you did great, man. You kicked ass, man. You used the full capability of the car. Good job. In between these two silver. Straighten out that wheel and full stop. But I'm going to put it in park. You take your foot off the brake. Nice job, man. Welcome back.
Perfect.
You have fun?
That was a lot of fun.
You doing any other cars today?
I think this is it.
Just one, huh?
Yep.
Anytime you, where'd you say you're from?
Huh?
Where'd you say you're from again?
Tennessee.
That's right. Anytime you're here, bro, you can ask for me. My name's Kareem. I'll take care of you, okay?
Nice to meet you.
Next, what you do, brothers, you're going to go back inside to pit lane, see if you want to do anything else like that drift, and then when you're all done, you're going to take your USB to video and checkout. My biggest tip, just breathe out there, okay? Any questions, bro?
No, that's it.
Good job.
That's
man.
awesome.
Good job. Now, I will meet you right outside of